Gav, hard fought, but it's 3 points. How are you feeling after that win?
Brilliant, mate. Absolutely fantastic. And I think we mentioned it last week with not really fussed with performances these days, mate. It's getting that 3 points, and we've grounded out a little result tonight, going 1-0 down half time on the 44th minute. That we set a stall first half, hopefully to try and come in bit of a breeze up here, going 0-0, we would be happy. Change the shape again half time, and luckily enough, we come away then with I think overall, especially second half, they deserve it 3 points.
Llandudno scored late on in the first half. How did that affect your game plan going into the second half?
Well, the biggest game plan was to come in at 0-0. We played 5, we played a 3, just literally to try and box it all off. We knew what they were going to try and do, especially with the wind. Play off Les. When you've got a big man like that up top, obviously you've got to go long. And fair dues. A little bit disappointed with the goal. We're trying to work stuff on corners, who's picking up, make sure that all the boys are clear who's picking up. But Les just got better of Wally at the end.
Jeff scoring yet again for Aber. He's been in good form recently. How do you think he's been doing lately?
Yeah, fair dues to Jeff. I can't fault him, to be truthful. He's come in. He's been in and out all the way through the season. He's grabbed it, to be honest. He's had his opportunity, and now it's paying dividends for us. Fair dues. He's scoring nearly in every game, and he maybe could have had 1 or 2 more tonight.
So with not that many games remaining, what are your thoughts coming up to the end of the season?
Well, to be honest, between Nev, Corbs and Barry Morgs, we're trying to work hard in training. The boys have done a lot of running on Tuesday, a few sore legs down there, and to be truthful, I asked for 3 points, he did no, and if we would, we'd be in it. Now it goes to Cardiff Met. They need to go and get some points. We're just trying to put ourselves in the mix for it, and if we keep going, got Llanelli at home next time. 3 points again, as what we said before, game by game, and let's see what goes on.